Hello everybody, it's Lois. Thought I'd come in with some happy tunes as everything else in this world is going crazy, and received news of a very old friend, family that is sick and needs prayer. So we need a happy place at the moment, and I received in one of these starter kits that new influencers can choose to purchase when they sign up. And I went ahead and bought one of them because I will make it retail at work. They really protect the stuff from leaking, and I can't get it off. But anyway, I got it in, and I thought I would share what comes in one of the starter kits. Okay, there's 4. One is solid skin, well, 3 of them are all skincare, and 1 is makeup. And I went ahead and ordered the makeup, and really wish I would have gotten the, well, I guess there's some of this is skincare. I can talk. But anyway, when a person signs up to be an influencer with Farmasi, it's $20, $19.99. Okay, you get a starter kit, which is full of samples and books on how-tos and history of this amazing company, and you get that, and plus all the brilliance and wonder of these ladies in this company, and our team, our upline is freaking amazing for training and everything. They're there for you. But anyway, I went ahead, I stewed on it and went ahead and bought one of the packages. And like I said, it's $20. And then you have the option of purchasing one of, I guess now there's 4 starter kits. And there's also one $49 one. But anyway, I thought I'd go over some of the products with you that come in this kit. You're going to be amazed at what all comes in this kit. You got Time Locker. This is the product that you spray on when you're done with your face to set your makeup. Stays all day. Stays nice all day. The land of touch-ups is crazy. Then we got Calendula Shower Gel. That's what I said. I looked in and realized they did have a couple of skincare products. I have started using the shower gel. I'm a Dove person. I love my Dove. It's because they have a sensitive skin. And again, anything liquid, they really protect. It's Calendula Shower Gel. Okay, Calendula is an amazing product for moisture and people that fight eczema and stuff. Then we have the all-new Limitless Mascara. Again, ladies, this is just in one kit. The Limitless Mascara, one of the nude lip glosses, a face perfecting pressed powder. This would be like after you've put your foundation on and it's dried, then you can, and finished your face, you can put this powder on. It helps set your makeup as well and helps fight shininess in the skin. CC cream, BB cream, okay, light to medium, both of them light to medium. We got double lash mascara. So far 2 mascaras have come in this. VFX Pro Primer. This is the photo filter. Yeah, so it's the gel form, but this is the VFX primer that you put on before you put on your foundation, which helps fill in lines and wrinkles. Don't look at me today, again, day off. At least my hair's done, right? So then we have a tender blush. We have a liquid concealer, which I love mainly to put under my eyes. And you can put down center of your nose. It's excellent for contouring, but it's also for brightening under the eyes. Okay, so we got that. I'm gonna set it all up so I can one of the 3-in-1 face palettes. I think this is the newest face palette that they have out. I do not own this, so this is a yay. Just like a couple of the other items I don't have yet, that I'll be keeping those. So anyway, this is an awesome, this is like the Peach Bite palette. Same concept. You can use it on your eyes or your cheeks. So we got that. Trying to make everything stand up here. The Glam Palette. This is one that I've used 2 days in a row and freaking love it. It's more neutral tones. Looks great on the skin. Okay. Again, I want to set this up so I can take a picture of everything you get in your kit. It's all going to fall over on me. Eyebrow Mascara. Okay. This is what I use. As a matter of fact, there's still some on my eyes today because I was lazy last night and didn't take my makeup off. I admit it. I did not take my makeup off. You've got, dang it. Stay. Eyeshadow primer. Excellent product. Excellent for people with dark eyes, dark under eyes. It helps brighten that up, and it also helps your eyeshadow stay in place better and brighter. Excellent item to get in the kit. Then, looks like we got the Strobe Primer. Okay, Strobe Primer, that's more of a cream base, but it also has a little bit of illumination in it, so luminescence in it, so it will, I don't know, it just makes the face look better. It's hard to explain. Another nudes gloss, so there's 2 of those. And last but not least, the Scentsy Wipes for your taking off your makeup. You get 30 in a pack, I think, and at a BI, 20 in a pack, and at a BI cost, it's $3 maybe, or $1, I can't remember which, and then, or you can pay full. That's not it. I said last but not least, but I missed some stuff because it's all wrapped in one thing. All right, so we have a Stay Matte lip, in Superstar. This is one I've been interested in. It's going to be too dark for me, but it's one I want to try. Got that. We got Stay Matte in Sunset Breeze. Another one, more of a neutral color. Want to try that. Another Stay Matte in Nude Essence. I think I have this one. It's very neutral. Very neutral. Okay. Then we got a Extra Last eye pencil. Okay. I think it's the coppery color. Usually it reads on here and I don't have a magnifying glass handy. It's the 04 eye pencil. And then we have the Express, which I like. This stuff you can put your shadows on, then put this over your shadows. It glides right on over your shadows and does not move all day. Yesterday I used a glitter liner that just went out. Mind you, we have them until they run out of stock. So anyway, this is I bet this is black. Yep. This is the black pencil. And again, it's creamy, guys. It's not hard to put on. Remember the days, well, some of us remember the days where you had to literally melt the tip of your eyeliner to make it work. And now they're a lot more creamier. I loved it with Sorbet, a line we carried at a salon I worked at, and absolutely loved it. So anyway, so we got 2 foundations. We've got a face perfecting powder. We've got a blush, 3 Stay Matte lipsticks, 2 eyeliners, liquid concealer, eyebrow mascara, eye primer, double lash mascara, Limitless, the brand new mascara. I'm dying to try because I do anything to figure out how to get lashes. 2 nude lip glosses, which again are an awesome one. I love Rose Fame. It's one of my favorites. Both of the the primers that you put on before your makeup. The Glam Palette, which is new, first of the year or in December, I can't remember which, and the new face palette. Anyway, they cover their bases when it comes to starting a business. And mind you, samples are, I always hate trying to open these. Samples are always great. Don't get me wrong. And we can buy the samples for $2. We can get several shades of foundations and stuff and products. Yeah. My fingernails are in my way today. So I wanted to look at this Glam palette, or this face palette, so I can see, make sure I said it right, what one it was. But I think it's the newest one. And of course it's wrapped. But again, ladies, they think this out, and they make sure you've got everything you need to start your business. And mind you, you really don't need anything to start your business with Farmasi. It speaks for itself. You can use you can use your first kit and use the samples. And one sample will last you forever. Yep, this is the new palette. That's pretty. More of a rosy pink blusher, a lighter bronzer, which I like that, and the highlighter, which is great for up in here, down your nose. And then I love to use the bronzer across my forehead and under my chin, and then I put it here. So anyway, ladies, I know I've got one following along, and I just wanted to come on and show you everything they give you in just one of the starter kits, okay? Huge value, and you get it at a discount price. So anyway, I will, honey. Thanks, Diane. Again, all this, $125 when you become a beauty influencer. But the only way to get these is to join, and you have to order them at the same time. Okay, you can't go back. You have to order them then. Hey, Jen, you'll have to go back and check it out. I got one of the starter kits in as they let current influencers order them for a limited time. And so I went ahead and ordered all the makeup one. So go back in, check it out. I am going to go on a little later today and do eyebrows. Talk about the proper way, my proper way to put on how your eyebrows should look. I'm going to show you no, and I'm going to show you yes, because I've seen some wicked ones. Right and wrong, you know, do's and don'ts. I've seen a few. They're not so good. And it's a practice situation. You must practice to make perfect. So I'm done umming, and you all just chill for the day. It's ugly outside. It wasn't supposed to be. And like I said, I'm going to take a picture of this, and I'll post it along with this live. Okay? And bless your heart, and thank you for watching. And I hope everybody takes a look. And yes, my girl, I will share the hell out of this. Y'all take it easy. Bye.